In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out site details and optimize your basic SEO settings. To get started, head to your website dashboard and open the settings area. From there, go into marketing and then select SEO appearance. This is where you'll enter your core site details, including your site title and site description. These fields are important because they help search engines understand what your website is about, and they can also influence how your site appears in search results. When writing your site title, keep it clear and aligned with your brand or business name. For the site description, use a short summary that explains what your website offers in a natural and readable way. Try to make both fields accurate and relevant since these details create a strong foundation for your site's overall SEO. Next, move to your individual pages and open the page settings for each one. Inside those settings, add a custom SEO title and a custom meta description. This step gives you more control over how each page is presented in search engines. Instead of using the same general information across your whole site, you can tailor the title and description to match the specific content of that page. Keep your SEO title focused and descriptive, and make sure the meta description gives a concise preview of what visitors will find when they click through. It's a good habit to write these in a way that sounds natural to real people, not just search engines. After that, set custom URL slugs for your pages. A URL slug is the part of the web address that identifies a specific page. Clean, simple slugs are easier for both users and search engines to understand. Use words that clearly reflect the page content and avoid making the slug longer than necessary. This helps keep your website organized and makes links look more professional. Finally, add alt text to all images across your site. Alt text is a short description of an image, and it plays an important role in accessibility as well as SEO. It helps